shit. Jesus, hold on. No. Fuck that. No.
Strange rattling sounds can be heard coming from the door, and when she checks the peephole and calls out asking who is there, something is seen moving and blocking the light. When she steps out into the hallway to investigate, creepy breathing and whispering sounds can be heard. Rachel became so frightened that she rushed back inside and locked her door, and she now believes something paranormal haunts this building, and that it may be the reason behind the blackout that required maintenance. But like most videos, this one remains a mystery.